As we see across the globe, we can very clearly see that this world is heading to the end of this phase of life. And the Lord is coming. The Lord would come, and He would come with righteousness, and He would judge the people, and He is going to judge the people with equity. He's not going to judge with equality. When judgment is done with equality, there is a possibility for someone to be still deprived and for someone to still suffer. But when it is done with equity, everyone is given according to their necessity. Let's wait for the day. God bless you.